Hi everyone, this is Durgesh from Informatica G series. Today I'm going to explain you about TDWQuery command introduced in TDM 10.1. Basically, this command is used to analyze the data in the test data warehouse. Basically, you can run this command to know the data in the data sets, and you can perform any SQL query operations to get the required data from the data sets. And however, in the TDM UI, we have the SQL query dialog box where you can run directly from the workbench itself. But this is a command line utility where you can perform the functions which cannot be done in the workbench, like joins and various functions, aggregate functions cannot be used in TDM workbench, but that can be leveraged using the TDW query command. So major use case of this is to get the information from the data set that you have created in the test data warehouse, and so you can use various joins, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and various aggregate functions, minimum, maximum count, and some on the data in the data sets. And also you can use where clause filters, group by filters to get the required data. So you need to configure user config.ilm properties with various test data warehouse details like host name, port name, and warehouse service name and data set name. And one thing to remember here is at a time you can run queries on a single data set. So currently the functionality for running a query on multiple data sets at a single time is not available in this new TDM 10.1. So at a time in this user config.ilm, we'll be setting a particular data set name and its version. So based on that, the TDW query will be run on that particular data set. So in this demo, I'll show you how to configure the user config.ilm and run the commands from the command line. So this is where the user config.ilm file will be there. So you have to edit this file and provide the required information for it. So it needs your TDW repository URL. So yeah, and username, password, domain username and password, and domain name, and TDW service name, test data warehouse service name, and test data warehouse name. So all this information you can get it from the admin console, test data warehouse services. And this is where you need to provide dataset version name. So this is nothing but the particular dataset and its version we have to provide here, so that the query whatever you are running should be with respect to this dataset and version. So as I said, that once you configure this user config.ilm, we need to go to the bin directory to run the TDW command. Just let me go there. Yeah, so here you can see there is a TDW query client which you have to run, and so let's now run some command and get the details from the dataset. So running this TDW query, select star from, this is the dataset table what it created in the repository. So when I run this, it will list out all the records here, as you can see. So now I'll try to run some aggregate functions or count star on this particular table to see the results. Yeah, so this should give us the number of records. So there are 12 records, which you can see here as well. And I mean, similarly, you can use various functions, joins and group by filters on this. So let's try for the where clause filter here. To just filter it out the records which are having value of 100 here for this particular column. Yeah, so see, it's listed out all the records which are having a value of 100. So this will be for great use for configuring the data set using the TDW and getting the data from the command line. So you can get more details from the TDM user guide, or from the help guide from the workbench. So thank you for watching this video. I would love to hear feedback from you on this video. Please provide your feedback on supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can tweet to our Twitter account InfoSupport. Thank you for watching.